Imagine two brothers, born on the exact same day, standing side by side on Earth. They share the same genes and the exact same age. Now, one of them climbs into a rocket and blasts off into deep space, traveling at a significant fraction of the speed of light for what feels like a quick trip. When the spacecraft finally touches back down on the launch pad, the astronaut steps out looking exactly as he did when he left. But waiting to greet him is his identical twin brother, who is now an elderly man gripping a walking cane. Physicists call this the famous twin paradox. It is a literal, mathematically proven method of one-way forward time travel. Understanding why these two lives diverged reveals the mechanics of traveling into the future. To map out the journey, we start with a vast distance. We have the Earth, and we have a distant target star light years away. The astronaut fires his engines and accelerates until his ship is cruising through the vacuum at exactly 80% the speed of light. This animation shows the core rule of special relativity, time dilation. Time slows down for objects in motion compared to those sitting perfectly still. Based on this speed, the Earth twin experiences 10 years of time, while the traveling astronaut experiences only 6. The equations for time dilation are sound, but applying them to these two brothers exposes a logical loophole that seems to break the laws of physics. The universe has no absolute standstill. Motion depends on your reference frame. This is relative motion. Let's step inside the cockpit of the spacecraft and look out the window. The engines are off, the ship is cruising smoothly in a straight line, and the astronaut feels zero movement. From his perspective, he is sitting perfectly still. Because the astronaut feels stationary, his reality is his ship isn't moving. Instead, the Earth and the star are rocketing backward past him at 80% light speed. If Earth is in motion, the astronaut assumes the Earth twin's clock is ticking slower. It is physically impossible for both brothers to return home younger than the other. One of these perspectives must be flawed. The journeys of these two brothers are not perfectly symmetrical. The brother on Earth sits at rest for the entire decade. He remains in a single continuous inertial frame, a state of zero physical acceleration. The astronaut cannot do the same. To complete a round trip, he cannot simply coast in a straight line forever. Halfway through the trip, he has to violently slam on the brakes and then accelerate back toward Earth. This turnaround forces the astronaut to switch from an outgoing inertial frame to an incoming one, shattering the illusion that the brothers experienced the same journey. During that turnaround, the physical reality inside the cabin shifts. The astronaut is pinned to the floor by intense G-forces as his environment violently shudders. Contrast this with the Earth twin, who feels zero physical forces and zero acceleration for the entire decade. While velocity is relative, physical acceleration is absolute and measurable. The Earth twin's journey is a straight line, but the astronaut's path has a distinct break at the turnaround. Feeling this acceleration proves the traveling twin is the one changing states, resolving the math and ensuring he is the one who returns younger. If you want to outlive your siblings, you simply need a rocket capable of near-light speed and also a high tolerance for G-forces. While the twin paradox shows that time is flexible based on perspective, the physical laws of acceleration determine the reality of the return.